Hello students, I hope you all will be well. So in this video I am explaining about gerunds. That firstly we have to know that what is gerund. So gerund, you can look in this, the definition is given here. A gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. So it is non-finite verb and it is made from a verb by adding ing, means that we have to add ing in the last of the root verb, or we can say the base word. So base verb is that like run. So in this you are adding this ing, so it is becoming gerund, means that running. So now come to the usage, that what are the different uses of these. Okay, different types of gerund, that how it is used. So we have to just look this thing in this. So firstly you can see that how it is used. First, it is used as a subject in the sentence when it comes in the starting. So we all know this thing, if anything which comes in the starting of a sentence, so that is considered a subject. So in this you can see that a verb, by adding ing, so it is used run plus ing, so it is becoming running, so it is used as a subject. So gerund means that we have to use a verbal noun. So this is verbal noun, so running is good for your heart. Now come to the second thing. Now come to the second thing, that is the direct object. So if any word which is coming after the verb, so that is considered the object. Okay, so you can look in this, that he hates waking up early. So after hate it is coming, so subject is he and then verb, and after that object is coming. So it is playing the role of object, because there are many cases in which we have to use a object. Without it we cannot understand the meaning of that. So it is used as a object of a transitive verb, because he hates. So it does not give a complete sense, that's why hates is a transitive verb, because it needs object to make its sense. तो यहाँ पे आपका ये ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के तौर पे आपका ऑब्जेक्ट जो ऑफ अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब इज यूज्ड के तौर पे यूज करा जा रहा है. नाउ नेक्स्ट यू कैन लुक दैट सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स दैट इट टेल्स something about the subject. So you can look in this, that what I dislike most is repeating myself. So it is in this sentence you can see that which complement is given regarding I. So I is the subject in this case and repeating is the complement. So what is the complement here, that if somebody repeats that person, so it is a complement which is given related to that subject in this. Now come to the next thing. Next you can see that object complement. It means that if you get gerund after the object, so it adds something to the object. तो कहीं ना कहीं object के बारे में कुछ कहा. I saw Tom riding his bike. So that it is given related to the Tom, and Tom is the object here. So that we are giving complement related to this Tom, so which is used as an object in this case. So because that Tom is coming after so if anything which comes after the verb, so that is the object. Now come to the next thing, that is object of preposition. So this is one of the way in which we use gerund. So I am interested in improving myself. So you can look in this, that in is the preposition. So there are so many prepositions which come in the sentences. So we are using this verbal noun, means that verb plus ing. So it is playing the role of object of preposition, because if I write this thing only, that I am interested in, so we are not getting anything by this only. So we have to write something so that it can give a complete meaning of a preposition, so that about which thing that somebody is interested. So now come to the next, that is the possession. So object of a possessiveness, so it should be reflected. So when you get any noun or the pronoun, so if you get any noun or pronoun, so after that you have to put a gerund here. So you can look in this, it shows the possession. She does not like your bossing her around. So means that what she does not like, so she is telling about herself, okay, that she doesn't like anyone that who just gives the instructions, or that who shows superiority in front of her. So there is a possession which is given here. Now come to the exercise, that how we have to do it. Now look in this, that would she mind my dash the car. So you can look in this, that we have to use a verbal noun, means that we have to add ing with the verb, so it will become moving. But why we are using moving in this case? So we are using moving in this case to show the possession. Would she mind my moving the car? So that who's moving? So this is the my. Okay, so it shows the possession case, so that is the object of possessiveness. So then we are using moving here. Now come to the second in this. The dash of his book was not easy. So writing is the gerund in this, and we are using this writing as a subject in this case. Now next, that Asma purchased good dash glass. So they are giving something related to the subject, so they are telling something about this glass, so it is a compliment which is given about the object in this case. So that's why we are writing looking here. Now next, that for that I love dash truths. So that what they are talking about in this case. So now here that speaking is used as a object in this case, direct object is used because we use object, देखो ऑब्जेक्ट के तौर पे भी हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कमिंग स्पीकिंग हियर. सो आई लव स्पीकिंग ट्रूथ. नाउ कम टू द फिफ्थ वन. Dash is a good exercise. So swim, so we can make it swimming because we have to use ing in this. So swimming is a good exercise. Now this is okay, activity, so it is used as a subject in the starting of a sentence, that's why swimming will come in this case. Now come to the next thing. So this is one of the non-finite verb which should be understood also. So present participle and the past participle, so these are the two participles which are commonly used. So now you can see that participle means that we are taking those things so that it can show the continuity also, it can show the past time also. So if anything which shows the present time, so it shows present participle, and if anything which is showing the past thing, so that is past participle. So this thing which you have to understood first. Now come to the uses. Okay, so as a part of the continuous form of a verb, so when we use present participle, so sometimes it is used with verb, means verb plus ing. So it is also used verb plus ing. It looks like gerund, but it is not playing the role of gerund here. So because the uses of that present participle is different from gerund. So you can look the first one, that as a part of a continuous form of a verb. So if we show the continuity of any verb, so we have to use in this way by adding ing in the verb. Like look in this, that he is reading a book, so it is showing the continuity of a verb here. Now next, as an adjective, so if we are using verbal adjectives, so that present participles are called verbal adjectives because they are playing the role of adjective, and even they are verbs. तो verbs होने के बावजूद भी आपका they play the role of adjective, that's why these are considered verbal adjectives. So you can look in this, the smiling girl is my sister, so they are telling something about this girl. So that girl is, okay, who is my sister? That is the smiling girl. So this is, okay, given related to this girl here. Now come to the next thing, that it is also used as a gerund. So gerund, we all know that it is a verbal noun, so in some cases it is playing the role of this also. So that's why you can look in this, that Mary is interested in reading books. Thereafter you can look, okay, that it is used after the verb also, means you can look here, I saw them crossing the street. So that this is the action which is going on, so that they are telling something about this verb here. So you can see in this that what are the different ways by which we are using present participle also. So and you can look in this also, that if you get such kind of verbs, that is spend, waste, catch, find, so you have to use after this verb also, means that after completing the sentence you are using it, so it is telling something about the object also. And if you see any subject which does two actions at the same time, so it is also used in such a case. So he left the room laughing, so he is leaving also, he left the room also, and he is laughing also. So this is done by the pronoun, that is he in this case. And now come to the past participle. So past participle, you can look in this, that we are using as a adjective, but we have to use a different form of that. It shows the past name, means that it shows the past time. So you can see that spoken words, injured person, worried person, okay, haunted movie. So these are the different words which are used as adjective with noun. Now come to the next thing, that when you get any auxiliary verbs like has, have, will, may, might, can, so in such a cases also that we are using them also. Okay, thereafter that we all know that be, okay, is the main verb, but it has different forms: is, am, are, was, were. Okay, has, have, will, shall, so these are different forms, but we have to show the past also. That's why we are using it. The was built, yeah, is built, are built, so we have to use in such a way. So I hope that you have understood it now. So just come to the exercise so that you can understand somehow. So you can look in this that dash of long journey he could do no work, so that you have to use that past participle in this case. So having tired of long journey, so you are just showing this thing that it shows the past participle here. Dash by baby I cannot study, so you have to just put being disturbed, so you are just showing the past, that something which is done. So these are some of the ways by which we can use, so you can fill this according to it. So I hope that you've understood. Bye everyone, and please subscribe this channel and share it.